Hi guys, and welcome to the last giveaway for these 3 free white label apps. Now the third app is a social campaign creator. I'll show you how it works in a moment. Now if you missed day 1 or day 2 of the training, please take a look at these. On day 1 I showed you how to kind of set up WarriorPlus with our apps. Day 2 I showed you how to set up JVZoo with our apps. Now if you didn't get the apps, please make sure that you opt in. If you've already opted in, you don't need to do it twice. You only need to opt in once. If you opt in today, which is the last day, you'll still get all 3 apps. So don't worry about that. Okay? But if you already opted in, don't opt in again. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the app. I'm going to tell you what I would do with these 3 apps. And I've got a special surprise for you as well. So first, let me show you the app. So this is a social plan creator. It creates social plans for your ideas. Again, same as the other 2 apps, very simple, just as one job, that's it. So create your first plan. So I put my API key in, so product or brand name. So what I'm going to do, I'll use the launch we're doing at the moment, which is Prospera Builder. Product descriptions, creates AI workflows for your marketing business. Target audience is marketers. The more you put in these, obviously, the better it will be. Select to goal. Drive sales. Content tone. Inspirational. Now you can choose from these 6 platforms. So we'll just go with Instagram on this one, but you can choose all the others. You can choose them all if you want. Then just click generate my 7-day plan. So let's see what it comes back with. Now remember, you get white label access to this. You can install it, resell it, set up as your own. Everything's ready there once you opt in. So let me show you what this does. There you go. So it's created day 1, day 2. It's nice actually as well. It looks nice. Day 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I could have done a plan for all 6 if I'd have wanted to. Then what I do is I can save it or I can start again. Okay. Now that's the app. As I said, once you opt in, you will be able to get all the 3. The last one was a page creator. The one before that was an email writer. Now let me tell you what I would do with these apps and my special kind of extra. What I've done is when you enter your email, you get into the kind of automation. The last day's email, which is today, the 9th, you will get all 3 apps, but you will also get a reseller license that allows you to do whatever you want with those 3 apps. What does that mean? It means you can create PLR with them, you can resell the kind of code on, you can give them away as bonuses, you can basically do whatever you want, and that makes those 3 apps very, very valuable. So let me jump over here. Now one of the first things I would do with these 3 apps, if you wanted to kind of maximize them, is create a funnel. So let me show you how I would create a funnel. Because I've just given you that extra reseller license, you've got an amazing funnel with these, even if you wanted to just do one app or all 3 together. So what you could do is you could have the front end, so the front end offer, so that's the front end, you could have that as something like $7. Install the app, they get access to just that app, so they get to use it for their own marketing business or anything like that. First upsell is PLR. Give them PLR to it, so they get PLR, and that is, let's say, $37. Let's go kind of on the lower side. Next upsell, give them a white label license, because through this license I've given you, you can do that. So you could sell that $97. Okay, so you've got a funnel there from just one app. So you've got $7, $37, $97. Now imagine you did that with all 3 apps. So what you could do here, instead of just having one app, you could access all 3 apps. So you get 3 apps there, right? Instead of being $7, let's say it's $19. First upsell, again, it's PLR. You get a PLR to all 3 apps. Instead of being 37, it's 97. Then again, white label. Instead of being white label to just one of the apps, you're getting all 3 apps with white label. So it could be easily 197. Okay. So that's one way. I would create a funnel and, you know, I'd stack it in different ways just to see which worked best. Do it as a single app or all 3 together. Now next, I would resell the software and offer installs. So what you could do is you could, rather than just creating a funnel, you could have it where you just sell access to one of the apps, and you could say, look, I'll do the install, set it all up for you, rebrand it because it's super easy. Rebrand it, create your sales page, something like that, charge $97. Okay? And then the last one, I'd use as bonuses. If you're an affiliate marketer, there's nothing better than software to make an affiliate product convert. Okay? So create a funnel with the 3 products, either separately or all together. Put them like kind of stack them inside. So you could have PLI, you could have white label. Then resell the software, offer installs, rebrand and everything else. Then use as a bonus for other products. So you got 3 ideas there that I can assure you, if you kind of take action and, you know, actually do something with these 3 products, you will make money with them. So super simple. I've shown you how to set up on WarriorPlus. I've shown you how to set up on JVZoo. So super easy to set up one of those funnels on JVZoo and offer all those products. Okay? So if you haven't opted in yet, make sure that you opt in. Once this last page closes down, the pages will close down. It will be your last chance to claim those 3 products. So make sure that you watch out, because in about 10 days, I am going to have something super special. And when I say special, it is something really exciting. It's something that I've been building for the last couple of months. If you like white label products, you like resellers, then watch out for this. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.